National Chemical Laboratory situated in Pune is a constituent laboratory of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Working towards methanol economy in the country, the lab has developed indigenous technology to produce eco-friendly and efficient fuel in the form of dimethyl ether or DME. The pilot plant to manufacture DME was established last year, and now the ultra-clean fuel is ready for public use. A few days before, in a virtual ceremony, the DME-fired Aditi Urja Sanch unit was launched by the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan with the indigenously developed burners designed for DME and DME LPG blend.
India's energy dependence on other countries could come down significantly with our findings from National Chemical Laboratories, and especially about the dimethyl ether technology what we have found out. Okay, our research and findings about dimethyl ether production technology will give direct benefit to the common man. So it will bring down the LPG cylinder price 10 to 15%. I mean, about 100 rupees per cylinder will be brought down when this technology is commercialized. So that is a direct benefit to the common man.
Currently, the pilot plant at NCL is producing 20 to 24 kgs of DME per day. And the plan is to scale up the capacity to 0.5 tons or 500 kgs through CSIR fast-track commercialization project. The pilot plant produces DME from methanol dehydration. The DME process technology is economical, cost-effective and scalable with in-situ product purification as well as heat integration unit that produces pure DME. The fuel can be used independently or can be blended with LPG. NCL plans to expand its use in other sectors as well.
This is called dehydration of methanol to DME. It can be used as a fossil fuel and chemical commodity and so much applications. So first, we are actually last week we have introduced the Aditi Urja Sanch. It's called the limitless energy units, which governs for the domestic fuel for the domestic family as well as industrial burners. And then later we are going for automobile industry as a fuel.
NCL has come up with specially designed burners for the complete combustion of DME and DME LPG fuel blend, as the density of DME is different from LPG. DME-fired cooking units are being used currently on a trial basis at the domestic level. Some NCL employees are also using these stoves. The DME project is moving on a fast-track mode from the laboratory to the market, and soon it will be available to the people under the methanol economy and green sustainable fuel policy of the country. Successful trial of the indigenously produced clean fuel in the domestic sector will give a big push to the Make in India campaign.